Keep a bit of distance. He rolled backwards there. Did you see that? Okay, hello people. It's February the 1st. Out for a wee run. Turn the music down a wee bit. No, this is the first time with a GoPro on the LS2 Explorer. So we'll have to see how the camera looks and how the sound is. A bit excited to see how it's going with the sound in the GoPro. Friday night we had a live. I thought it was pretty good. Hope you get a chance to watch it. Lot of banter. And yeah, we really enjoyed it. Triumph says that the GoPro's no connected, but that'll be today that I connected it to the Quick app this morning to check it. Usually the 13 is really just really has some issues with connection. Yeah, no issues with connection, but the connections you can't have more than one connection on it. I see now it says it's connected and it says it's on standby, yeah, and then it's went off again, so I think it's trying to connect. Oh shit, that was not very smart. And the navies went a bit strange. I'll say still no exactly enjoying these tyres. And the back end slide out a wee bit this morning already. So I'll be glad when these tyres are getting replaced. These are Metzlers, but like I said, I'm not that impressed with it. It's actually no bad weather. 7 degrees. Supposed to be dry the whole day. So a wee shout out to Buster ADV Biker, shooter on a bike. So they've been out a couple of times together. So I've got our on in May. Still thinking about whether I'm coming here before that, but definitely coming here in May. And then I've got the ABR in June, isn't it? June. I'm quite looking forward to the ABR. My other brother's supposed to be coming as well. Both of them have got Teneries. Buster ADV Biker's got a Tenere, and my other brother Stevie, he's changed for the V-Strom to the Tenere as well. So I'm quite looking forward to that. So I'm definitely going to try and get a half decent trip this year. Last year I never done any big trips. Yeah, for other people it would be a trip, but for me it was going to see family and going on my bike to Scotland, the UK. I don't know what I've been doing. I've got my heated seat on for some reason. Don't remember putting that on. I think I've been pressing all the buttons by mistake. Yeah, I said in one of my other videos, if anybody else has got a Triumph TFT screen, let me know, because I can't keep it clean. It's always covered in water droplets that are dried in. So somebody's got a tip for keeping it clean, let me know, or at least cleaning it. It's quite busy for a Sunday morning. A wee camping there. Looks like people are in the camping. I want to be camping. Keep a bit of distance. He rolled backwards there. Did you see that? Oh, down the dike. See what I can put. Open the visor, see what it sounds like. Running with the visor open. See if that makes a difference. I hate these tyres. I feel like I'm riding on oil or ice or something. Just come round that corner, feel the back end twitching. I don't know why people like these tyres. I thought that bike was just parked there, but he was sitting behind it with a camera. Like a nutcase. This fucking nutcase. Spoke a bit too soon. He was I think he's a bit low to go the speed bumps. At least he was nice to let me go. Move, you fucking nutcase. Got a tank through there. What are you doing, you fucking nutcase? There's one mil there. Now, like I said, people, I don't trust these tyres, so I'm taking it nice and easy. The roads are wet, but greasy.